If you've never held a baby, it can be a little scary. You might be worried about dropping the child or holding it wrong. So in this video, we're giving you 6 ways to hold a baby safely and securely. Hey guys, I'm Jason Kreidman and welcome to another episode of Dad University. We have our live show every Tuesday, 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern, right here. And every Thursday, we release a new dad advice video across all platforms. Follow, subscribe, and share our videos wherever you hang out the most. It really helps us grow. Okay, first things first. In preparation of holding the baby, you want to remember 3 things. Number 1, clean hands. So you're going to want to wash your hands and make sure that they're clean before holding or touching the baby. A baby's immune system is still being built, and you don't want to pass on unnecessary germs. Number 2, relax. Take a deep breath, or a couple if you need to, and relax your shoulders, which will help relax your body. Now, a baby can feel your energy, so being relaxed is going to help them as well. Number 3, secure hold. So while you are relaxing your body, you're going to want to make sure that you have a secure hold of the baby, especially the head. We're going to talk more about this as we go along and show each hold. I can tell you that when my first child was born, my son, I was pretty nervous to hold him. I had never really held a baby, maybe once or twice before, and I was nervous. But those nerves went away pretty quickly as soon as I had him in my arms, and it felt amazing. I'm going to show you 6 different ways to hold your baby. With each hold, I will begin with the baby in a start position that looks like this. Number 1, cradle hold. So the baby's head is tucked into your arm securely while your hand is under the baby's bottom. You then have the baby's hand that's closest to your body. Some babies may like it tucked up above them. Others may like it below them. And it's a very secure position. Your other arm is then brought in around the baby and can support the head. This is probably the most common way to hold a baby, and you're using both arms. So the baby's head is secure. You're also securing it with your other hand. It's a really good hold for when you're sitting down as well. Number 2, football hold. So from the start position, like a football, you tuck the baby into your arm. The head of the baby is near your bicep and your forearm, and your hand is under the baby's bottom, pretty secure and close to your body. This is similar to how when you had both arms with the cradle hold, except now you have one arm free to do anything, like the Heisman. Number 3, reverse football hold. So instead of the baby's head going towards your body, you'd put the baby's feet towards your body, and your hand is supporting the neck and the head. And the reason I like this position is it allows you to look at the baby and the baby to look at you. So for some, this might not feel as secure as some of the other holds, but this was actually one of my favorites. I felt secure with it and also gave me a chance to see my children. Number 4, belly hold. So similar to the football, the baby is tucked into your arm, except in this one, the baby is on its stomach. So you are securely holding the baby again, close to your body. Hands are near the feet or holding near the legs. And the head, you're going to want to turn the head to the outside or to the inside just to make sure that they're breathing easily and their face is not straight down on your arm. With this one, I felt really secure. This was one of my favorites with both my kids. Number 5, reverse belly hold. Similar to the reverse football, the baby's head is in your hand. The difference here is that the baby is again on their stomach. So your hand is supporting near their neck and their chin line, very lightly. So for some babies, they really like this because they can look out or they're looking down. My children love this hold, but for others, they may not. It's something that you'll want to try. Number 6, shoulder hold. From the start position, bring the baby up to your shoulder. With your outside arm, you're securing and holding the baby's bottom. And with the other hand, you can support their head and neck. The baby's head is pretty high up on your shoulder so that they can see out or they can look to the side. Also, you're gonna wanna make sure you have a bib or a towel or something under you, because this is a common position for the baby spitting up. It's also very comfortable when you're sitting or you're lying down to have the baby in this position. Learning how to hold a baby does take a little practice, but you'll be an expert very quickly. You'll want to try all the different positions and see what works for you and what works for your baby. Everyone is different. I'd love to hear from you. Try these holds and let me know which one works best. Leave your feedback in the comment section below. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe, and click on those notifications so you don't miss any videos. Wait, what? Oh, and be sure to share the video. My little baby here wants to make sure you share this video because that helps us grow. Also, we've got a live show every Tuesday, 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern, and every Thursday we release these videos for dad advice. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye.